Hello everybody, welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is February 21st, 2017, and NASA just seems to be all over the news today. Now, NASA has publicized and sent out an invitation to all citizen scientists, and they want help to find Planet 9. You know, once again, ladies and gentlemen, I just find this very, well, how can I say this? It just seems like a big ruse that NASA's putting out. This is the article. It's dated today, actually 4 hours ago. NASA invites citizens to help find the 9th planet, quote, again. So apparently NASA wants us to find Planet 9. You know, and this article goes into talking about nearly 90 years ago, a young Clyde Tombaugh arrived at the Lowell Observatory and was given a laborious task, and that was to find a planet. And this goes into detail about talking about how this gentleman found Pluto. And then years later, many years later, they demote Pluto to a dwarf planet. But Percival Lowell, when they discovered Pluto, they dubbed it Planet X. Very interesting. So anyways, we're going to skip the rest of this article here, and we're going to go right down to this project of NASA's. It says the project is based on images captured by NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer mission, which researchers believe may have imaged objects that haven't been spotted before because they are so far from the sun that they barely shine in visible light. Now, NASA wants the people of the world to find this Planet 9. But are they really referring to our Planet X, Nibiru, the Nemesis solar system? I just find it very odd that all of a sudden, all of these subliminal messages are popping up left and right. More and more NASA scientists are uttering the words Planet X. I find it very interesting. It states down here, so far nearly 18,000 volunteers have participated. And it also states instructions on the website for the project called Backyard Worlds. Planet 9 say a 9th planet is expected to look like a blue dot, hopping and jumping all the way across the images. So basically, they want us to find Planet X, Planet 9, Planet 10. Basically, they have all of the technology in the world, and they're going to rely on us. Well, Mr. NASA, here is a bold statement. We've already found Planet 9, Planet X. It's in our skies every single day. Ladies and gentlemen, if you cannot read between the lines, get a pair of glasses, make sure they are clean, and read this article, and, like I said, read between the lines. Why would NASA need the people of the world to help them find a planet that well-named astronomers can't find, but yet they're given prime-time interviews on 60 Minutes talking about a hypothetical planet, Planet 9, that hasn't even been imaged. They don't even know where it's at, but yet they already have an orbit plotted for it. Things are getting very weird, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, an insider told me specifically that in the months to come, there will be information leaked out to the public in very, very subtle ways. And now we are literally seeing these subtle ways. NASA has a press conference set up for tomorrow to discuss new exoplanets that they have discovered that are orbiting suns. Now, NASA is inviting citizen scientists to help find the 9th planet. Quote, again. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to give you my opinion. You can form your own opinion, but I'm telling you, this story stinks to high hell. This is telling people, yes, get out there. We need your help. Well, since we've been trying to find Planet X, Nibiru, the Nemesis solar system, there are probably millions of people around the world that are pointing their cameras and their video cameras to the sky each and every minute of the day. And you can guarantee that all of the agencies are spying on the people who are investigating Planet X. My Planet X, not their Planet X. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the biggest ruse that I've ever seen. It actually disgusts me because they think that we are so damn stupid. Why would NASA need us when they have all of the technology in the world? Hundreds of satellites and space probes and telescopes out in our solar system and out in the vast space that our planet inhabits. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to leave a link to this article. I'd like for you to read it. It actually had me shaking a little bit once I read this, because it actually made me very mad that they're thinking that we're stupid. That the people around this world don't recognize all of these strange earth changes. Earthquakes, volcanoes, absolutely crazed weather. I just did a story about the skies being purple in the early morning hours in Houston, Texas. I myself saw bright pink skies at 8 a.m. this morning. We're catching views of planetary objects in the skies all around the world, on weather cams, on video cameras, on cell phones. I think the time is coming, ladies and gentlemen. The subtleness of NASA is spewing from their pores. Read this article. It's very, very interesting. I will leave a link to it in the description box under the video. If you're not subscribed, once again, please, when you're done watching this video, subscribe to the Nibiru channel. Make sure you set up your notifications. And once again, thank you for watching.